drone.
A lot of drone sales.
Yeah, well, that's,
Typical for this time of year.
yeah. They want to raise that 17% drones, I understand.
A lot of nectar, huh?
Yeah.
There's a male over here.
Hmm?
There's a drone right here. Pardon me.
Yeah.
Not many.
I can't tell how close I'm getting.
Not many brood, huh?
That's what I'm looking for right now. See, where's the brood? We maybe don't have a queen. Yeah, and sometimes some of the workers will start laying if they've been without a queen for a while. And they do get feisty when they don't have a queen. Yeah, there we go.
Those are all cat brood.
Yeah, that's worker brood. So we had a queen there for a week or so ago, at least.
What is that right there? Oh, that's a male. That's a drone.
Yeah.